Welcome to our washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular portable washing machines, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Black & Decker Small Portable Washer. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub is a manual twin tub washer and spinner, ideal for those looking for a budget-friendly option. In contrast, the Black & Decker Small Portable Washer is a fully automatic machine, providing greater convenience with its advanced features. This difference in operation can significantly impact your laundry experience. When it comes to capacity, the Super Deal model offers a combined washing and spinning capacity of 13 pounds, making it suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the Black & Decker model has a larger capacity of 1.7 cu fort, allowing it to handle bigger laundry loads efficiently. This could be a crucial factor for larger households. Price is another significant factor to consider. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub is priced at an affordable $113, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Black & Decker Small Portable Washer comes with a higher price tag of $309, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity. It's essential to weigh these costs against the features you need. In conclusion, both washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub is perfect for those needing a simple portable solution, while the Black & Decker Small Portable Washer offers more advanced features for a higher price. Consider your laundry needs and budget before making a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.